Hi, welcome back to another video. I was gonna do live, but I can't. So yeah, and yeah, I have no viewers. I only watch my videos, so yeah. But it's so nice out today. So like, look, I've all been so pretty to do a live. Right. So yeah, I don't know what to do, but I want to show you how cool it looks outside. It's my slip and slide. I will make a video on that one day. And yeah, here is my trees, and yeah. I don't know what to do. Gosh. Oh my gosh, I had something on me. That's a ball, that green thing, and the thing like right there. That's my dog's ball, but yeah, we don't have it anymore because reasons. But yeah, it's really cute and cool outside, so I wanted to show you how beautiful it looks. And yes, there is a squirrel somewhere out there. I saw it earlier, but I don't see it anymore. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I almost fell off. Oh, my mascot almost did. And yeah, I know all my videos are so short, but it's just cool.